Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have I got my winnings from sADeal. Yay! And I got it yesterday, but you know, life happens and now I have time to get into it so that I could record it, because I really wanted to record what I got from my winning. And although she showed it, it's different when you have it in your hand and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is from Liana from sADeal, and it was from her recent giveaway challenge. And yay! There it is, this little card. This is from her. Let's see if I can get it out. Aww, so cute. Okay, anyway, let me read it. It says, "You are the best. Eileen, congratulations on winning my birthday challenge giveaway. Enjoy and thanks for all your support. Liana, sADeal." Very cute. See, now that's how this community is always so supportive of each other, and I love supporting you girls. It's awesome. And it's fun. So she made a little file folder storage, the Dollar Tree like coupon organizer is what she said. So this is super cute. Oh, there's a petal. Okay, so she put a little felt flower on the button part, so to decorate the button. And she put some scrapbook paper here. I don't know the collection, but it's super cute. And look at this color, purple. And it's got some pom-pom fringe going on the front and the back. Cute. It says, "You can change the world." Isn't that true? Our children have to hear that more often than not. So I love it. Let me get into the goodies. Look at it. See what I mean? It's the coupon organizer. So there you go. You got all the pockets. And look at that. We've got puffy stickers. And this is from Miss Sparkle and Company. Very cute. Love it. There's a stamp and die set. Woohoo! More reason to get a die cutting machine. So it's a butterfly, and then there's some butterfly stamp and a bee. Well, actually there's two butterflies, a bee, like a little greenery here, and some birds. And then it says, "Thinking of you," and just a little note. Very cute. I love it. Look at that. Purple and green. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. So the purple are larger. The purple and green that are larger are also a lot taller. So it gets bigger as you go, or smaller as you go. And then she also has Miss Sparkle and Company, some little coin, mini craft bags is what they call it. And there's 6 in here. Oh, there's different designs, ladies. Very cute. Let's check out the designs, because I've never seen this. Oh, cute. Oh, okay. So there's 6 of the flamingos, and then there's 6 pineapples. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Liana. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Okay. Get that in there. Miss Sparkle and Company. So that's a new one for me. I think this is from Target. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. Don't quote me on that. Okay. And then she's got little puffy hearts. Super cute. Look at that. Look at that color right there. Isn't that pretty? I'm not doing the best job at putting this out, but there we go. Right? And then she also put the little paper bags. Very cute. 9 paper bags. And the colors are like a teal, pink, and green. Her favorite colors. Very pretty. So cute, Liana. I love this little container idea. That might be another swap idea. Super cute. And you find these at the Dollar Tree. They still have them there too because I saw some and I'm not doing the best right now. My flower is getting crushed. Okay. There you go. I just seen it recently because I've been to the Dollar Tree recently. But thank you so much, Liana. This is a great, great gift. I love it. And if you haven't subscribed to her, you need to go check her out. It's sADeal here on YouTube, and her name is Liana. So give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.